First, you touch a button to wake up the remote control. Now it's awake and you can start the fireplace by holding the on-off button until it beeps. When you hear a beep, it means the thermocouple is hot and you can control the fireplace. The fireplace always starts at medium flame height. You can change the flame height by pushing up for higher flames or down for lower flames. The green column in the middle indicates the content of the bioethanol tank. So in here it's 2/3 full. To turn on the LED lights, just clockwise use the black circle in the middle. When it's on full, you can see LEDs are on full. To turn them off or lower, turn anti-clockwise until nothing LEDs are off. Then finally, to turn off the fireplace, hold the on-off button and on a beep it will turn off.